how to change app icon on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, S25 Plus or S25 device. By default, set the app drawer icon or app icon on your device. If you want to change this default app icon, tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap the themes at the bottom. Now tap on a continue. At the bottom middle, you can find the icons option. Tap on icons. Now here you can see the top tab. Tap on the top. Now select the drop down box. Here you can find the all paid and free app icon style. So tap on a free. Now you can see the list of different app icon style you want to set on a device. So here we select the theme, apply the theme icon you want to set. Here we select the black theme like this theme. Now here we select this theme on my device. You need to download it on your device to apply this theme to your app drawer on your Samsung device. So tap the download button to downloading this theme icon on your device. Tap the apply to apply this theme on your device. Tap on apply. Now you can see apply this app icon to your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other Samsung device. Now you can see totally change your home screen app icon, also app drawer. You can see totally change app drawer app icon. So this is the best way to change the default app style or app icon on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you want to get back the default app icon, tap and hold the black space on home screen. Tap the themes. Tap the menu at the bottom right corner. Tap the my stuff. Now tap the icons and here you can find the default option. Tap on the default. Now tap the apply to apply the default app icon. Tap the apply. We're applying default app icon to your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other Samsung device. Now we can see the default app icon again set on an S25 Ultra. That's it. If you like it, share it.